everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we are going to discuss about why Python is a so popular language or want to be a programmer, then why you should learn it. So number one reason is learning Python is a very easy language. There is no too much backend coding or something there. If you know English very well, then you can learn Python easily within a two or because there are bunch of libraries, so you can put code and you get output easily. So that is number one reason, and there is a least development time. Python, if you build a website in a 1 month professional website, then you can that similar website it's take time to more than 1.5 months or 2 months. Java or CSS format, you can learn things very quickly and you can apply it also. There are many projects you can make on Python in a GamePy by the Python library called NumPy, and you can also make website. Or third reason is there is a large community of developers who are doing their development in the Python. Python it's easy language, so everyone start with it, and who are that's developer who gets synchronized with the Python, they continue with their journey with the Python. So the Python is their primary language, and you can also do that. You can make Python. You can use Python as a primary language and do development. Python is popular because their vast programmer base. If you have a programming journey, if you have a more people similar like you or more mentor, so you can understand and learn from others very quickly and easily. And the fourth reason is there are a bunch of AI tool coming on. So most of AI development is happening in the Python and machine learning. So Python is a very popular language, and its popularity will increase within in next 1 to 2 years for sure. So you should learn Python if you want to be a coder, a programmer, and you can start with Python basics by download some libraries like Jupyter library, Jupyter Anaconda, and others. I hope you like this video and you get value from it. And if you get value from it, then you can like the video, subscribe the channel, hit the bell icon on, and you can share this video with your friends. Thanks for watching.